This is our classic model R190A. Here is a control panel. We have the plastic cover to protect the control panel. And here is 3 buttons. One is the purge, second is the power, and the third is the timer. Here is the waterfall indicator light. And this is the auto defrost indicator light. On the display board, it shows the inlet temperature and the related humidity. And this is the outlet temperature and the related humidity. Here shows the working hours, which is suitable for the rental business. And you can press the timer button to set the boot time from 1 hour to 24 hours. Press the power button. The machine starts working. You can also press the timer button, set the shutdown time. The filter can be took out for cleaning. We use double layer nylon filter for the efficient filtration. The air inlet frame is easy to be disassembled, as well as the water pump cover. Our water pump is with quick coupling, so it's very easy and quick to replace it. And we have the side handles and up handrails. You can put down the handrail by take out the stopper. The belt is for the water pipe.